Hello students, welcome to aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. We know that in our last three sessions we are continue with our topic is the preparations of aldehyde and ketone. So in first sessions we completed the preparations of aldehyde and ketone both, but last two sessions we completed preparations of aldehydes only. And now today we start with the last topic of the preparations of ketones only. So we want to prepare only ketone, and in our textbook they display almost three different methods, right? So first method is from acid chloride or acyl chloride. We know that acid chloride is the derivatives of carboxylic acid. So we know that ketones can be easily prepared by the actions of suitable डाइअल्काइल कैडमियम. हमें पहले क्या बनाना है? डाइअल्काइल कैडमियम बनाना है. फर्स्ट वन, so acid chloride is react with dialkyl cadmium, but to form a dialkyl cadmium first we have to take a Grignard reagent. We know that the RMGX is the formula for the Grignard reagent. First we have to prepare the Grignard reagent and then reacts with a cadmium chloride in dry ether. The purpose of dry ether is due to Grignard reagent because any possibilities of water or moisture or any humidity, definitely your Grignard reagents it reacts with a water. That's why its dry ether is a compulsory. So when RMGX is react with a CdCl2, so MgXCl2, right? So 2 mole of MgX and Cl2 they are attached with each other and they form a MgXCl, and R2CD is formed, and this R2 means dialkyl cadmium. Mind well, it's a dialkyl cadmium. Now this dialkyl cadmium it reacts with acid chloride. Okay, so we know that RC double bond OCl and R2CD. So in this case R2CD is reacted with this R-C double bond O and converted into ketone, and CdCl2 is removed, and now this CdCl2 is further used to prepare a dialkyl cadmium. So once again these ketones right can be easily prepared by the action of a suitable dialkyl cadmium which is prepared by the reactions of cadmium chloride with Grignard reagent and now on an acid chloride which gives a ketone. So now I give the two different examples. One is aliphatic in nature and remaining is the aromatic in nature. So first we react this acid chloride means acetyl chloride, right? So now this acetyl chloride with diethyl cadmium. Here I take a R is equal to ethyl group. So it's a simple method. CdCl2 is removed and CH3C double bond of CH2CH3 is formed. So it's butanone. So it's a preparations of ketone and CdCl2 is removed. So this is the example of such a type of acid chloride where R is equal to alkyl group. But if we take the example of an aromatic ring like a benzoyl chloride. So now this benzoyl chloride when it reacts with a dimethyl cadmium, because our conditions is react with acid chloride is react with a dialkyl cadmium. So here alkyl group is a methyl. So I got a product is acetophenone. Here the questions arise in the students' minds like that. Sir, why we cannot react Grignard reagent directly to acid chloride? No, it's not viable because Grignard reagents being more reactive than dialkyl cadmium reagents. Okay, so ये dialkyl cadmium है, जैसे हम यहाँ पे RC डबल बॉन्ड और Cl है और उसका डायरेक्टली हम MgCl से साथ क्या ये पहले हमें बना देना चाहिए. इसका पर्पस क्या है? जैसे ये जो दोनों है, जैसे मेरे पास है डाइअल्काइल कैडमियम है और Grignard reagent है. सो Grignard reagent इज मोर एक्टिव देन डाइअल्काइल कैडमियम. तो उसका वजह से क्या होगा, जैसे हमने RMGX का भी डायरेक्ट यूज किया है, जैसे हम क्या बना रहे हैं, जैसे कई बच्चे ऐसे पूछ रहे हैं सर हम एसिड क्लोराइड लेंगे, फिर ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट लेंगे और कैडमियम क्लोराइड तीनों का मिक्सचर करके लगाएंगे, तो ये CdCl2 या RMGX के साथ प्रोसेस करके डायल्काइल कैडमियम बनाएगा, वो एसिड क्लोराइड के साथ जुड़ जाएगा। नहीं, इसमें दिक्कत क्या है, जैसे हो गया, देखिए हम R2CD बनाए हो गया, लेकिन कई बार ऐसा होता है कि ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट है ना, वो भी बिना रिएक्ट किया हुआ पड़ा रहता है। सो दिस remaining portion of this Grignard reagent is react with a ketone, right, and they form ultimately gives a tertiary alcohols। तो क्या होगा, वो अपना कीटोन भी खत्म हो जाएगा। So it's not required, यहाँ पे Grignard reagents cannot be directly used in these reactions, once again because Grignard reagents being more reactive than dialkyl cadmium reagents, it would react with the ketone formed in the reactions to give ultimately tertiary alcohol. So this is all about the preparations of ketone from acid chloride. Now we move to the another portion is from nitriles, means cyanide, both aliphatic as well as aromatic ketones। यहाँ पे aliphatic भी हम बना सकते हैं, aromatic ketones भी बना सकते हैं। It can be prepared by the action of a suitable Grignard reagent on an alkyl or aryl nitrile and then followed by a acid hydrolysis of this intermediate addition production। फॉर एग्जाम्पल है, जैसे हम इसका सीधा एग्जाम्पल ही लेंगे, जैसे मेरे पास एक साइनाइड है विच इज कॉल्ड एज मिथाइल साइनाइड, some people says it is ethane nitrile and one name is acetonitrile too। Now this acetonitrile, we know that carbon is partially positive in nature and nitrogen is due to electronegativity is partially negative in nature। If we react this cyanide with a Grignard reagent, such a type of Grignard reagent which is called as CA3CH2MgBr, means ethyl magnesium bromide, we know that in the case of Grignard is a very good carbene ion because MgBr plus and C minus, so this minus means this is a one type of a nucleophile or it's a very good carbene ion which is definitely attracted towards to this partially positive carbon of cyanide। So first this is it's a one type of addition reactions, so this addition reactions gives us such a type of addition product। After this addition product we hydrolyze or acidic hydrolyze, right, with the help of dilute hydrochloric acid, so we get such a type of compound CA3CH2C double bond O and CA3 and MgOHBr is released। So this is nothing but it's a butanone, it's a ketone। So preparations of ketone from nitrile with the help of Grignard reagent। Here another example is a if I take such a type of cyanide CH3CH2C triple bond N, we know that it's a ethyl cyanide, some people says that it's a propane nitrile and the paint name is propionitrile। Now this propionitrile when reacts with a phenyl magnesium bromide, look, in this Grignard reagent there is the aromatic ring, right, but we know that this is C6H5, so this C is a very good carbene ion, so it's a very good nucleophile too, and which is definitely attracted towards to the partially positive carbon of this propionitrile। So there is an addition reaction, here the pi bond is break and your particularly this phenyl magnesium bromide is added into propionitrile in dry ether, gives such a type of intermediate product, like that C double bond N MgBr C6H5 and CH2CH3। Further hydrolysis of this compound, so here C double bond O is formed, so we get a product is 1-phenyl propanone, or sometimes is called as an propiophenone 2 plus ammonia and plus MgOHBr are released। But look here in this case either I take a propionitrile, कहीं बच्चे ऐसे पूछ रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे सर हम रिंग रखें और यहाँ पे अल्काइल रखें तो चलेगा, हाँ उसी तरह से भी हम प्रोपियोफिनोन बना सकते हैं। देखिए आप देखिए मेरा एग्जांपल, मैंने यहाँ पे क्या किया हुआ है, ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट्स का अल्काइल ग्रुप डाला हुआ है और नाइट्राइल का यहाँ पे है, देखिए आप बेंजोनाइट्राइल है। We know that this is minus is a very good carbene ion which is attracted towards to this carbon, so it's converted into C6H5 C double bond O and MgBr CH2CH3, it's an intermediate product and further hydrolysis definitely gives the same product 1-phenyl propanone or propiophenone। इट्स अ वेरी एक मेरे पास अच्छा एक क्वेश्चन है, ये भी आप देख लीजिए। जैसे कई बच्चे ऐसे पूछ रहे हैं कि सर यहाँ पे हम साइनाइड में हाइड्रोजन साइनाइड ले सकते हैं। डेफिनेटली आप ले सकते हैं, लेकिन हाइड्रोजन साइनाइड आप लेंगे तो उसमें क्या दिक्कत है, वो कीटोन नहीं बनाएगा। रिएक्शंस आपका सेम ही है, आपको मालूम है कि दिस इज C is माइनस एंड दिस कार्बन इज डेल्टा प्लस एंड दिस इज N माइनस। डेफिनेटली this carbanion firstly attach or which is added into this hydrogen cyanide and gives this intermediate product, it's our addition product, and hydrolysis of this addition product gives a CH3CHO. It's an aldehyde, it's not a preparation of ketone. मैंने यहाँ पे क्यों ऐसा डाला हुआ है, क्योंकि एक MCQ SC कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशंस लाइक JEE नीट में ये पूछी गई है। कई बच्चे को ऐसा होता है कि when Grignard reagent is attached with a nitriles, definitely they gives a ketone. Yes, it's a perfect picture, but this hydrogen cyanide is not such a type of a cyanide or nitrile compound. So it gives a aldehyde compounds, not a ketone compounds. इसके लिए मैंने आपके पास, जैसे मैं कहीं भी ऐसे लिखूं फॉर योर इंफॉर्मेशन, तो आपको सोच लेना कि ये कुछ या पास्ट एग्जामिनेशंस में कोई पूछा गया है या कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चन है या कोई ऐसा मोड आ रहा है इसमें कि हमें उसको थोड़ा अच्छी तरह से हमारी स्पीड कम करके उसको देखना चाहिए कि ये क्या हो रहा है। ओके फाइन, सो दिस इज द सेकंड मेथड फ्रॉम nitriles. Now the third method. Now this third method is a very simple method. It's a very simple method और हमने उसका जो पोर्शन है वो हमने 11th स्टैंडर्ड के हाइड्रोकार्बन लेसन में भी हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया है। वो क्या है हमें पूछ रहे हैं, थर्ड वन, फ्रॉम बेंजीन और सब्स्टिट्यूटेड बेंजीन्स बाय फ्राइडल क्राफ्ट्स एसाइलेशन। हमें मालूम है दिस फ्राइडल क्राफ्ट्स एसाइलेशन में हम क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू टेक एनहाइड्रस AlCl3, इट्स रिएक्ट्स विथ एसिड क्लोराइड और एसाइल क्लोराइड, जिसमें R एरोमेटिक भी हो सकता है या एलिफेटिक भी हो सकता है। जैसे मैं यहाँ पे ऐसे कर दूं कि दिस इज AR भी हो सकता है, R भी हो सकता है, तो यहाँ R और AR दोनों में से जो भी है वो आ जाएगा, राइट। सो इसमें फर्स्ट क्या होता है, when anhydrous AlCl3 it reacts with acid chloride, so first they form an electrophile. Which electrophile? RCO plus or ArCO plus. Now this electrophile is attracted towards to the pi electron cloud of benzene. Okay, at that time there is a displacement of hydrogen with this acyl group. That's why this reaction is called as an acylation, and this reactions invented by a Friedel and Crafts. So this reaction is called as a Friedel-Crafts acylation. We already know that these reactions when benzene is react with such a type of acid chloride, so it gives an aromatic ketone. So here I give two different structures, right? One is when benzene is reacted with acetyl chloride, CH3CO plus. So we know that first anhydrous AlCl3 and CH3CO, they are reacts with each other, and first they form a CH3CO plus. This is an electrophile, and now this electrophile is attracted towards to the pi electron cloud of this benzene, and we get a certain product is called as an acetophenone, and hydrochloric acid is removed, right? Once again, same way, if a benzene is reacts with a benzoyl chloride, this is benzoyl chloride. So this benzoyl chloride first reacts with anhydrous AlCl3 is a Lewis acid, and this Lewis acid now they attract Cl from this benzoyl chloride and is converted into AlCl4 minus, and it's an electrophile, and this electrophile is attracted towards to the pi electron cloud of this benzene, and we get a product, certain product is called as a diphenyl ketone or benzophenone, and hydrochloric acid is removed, right? So benzophenone can also be prepared by this Friedel-Crafts reactions of carbonyl chloride. Okay, ये जो बेंजोफिनोन है एक और तरीके से भी बन सकता है, जैसे 2 मोल हम बेंजीन लेंगे और फॉस्जीन के साथ उसका रिएक्शन कराएंगे तो भी वो बेंजोफिनोन बनाएंगे। इट्स अ टिपिकल एग्जांपल, दिस रिएक्शन Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction is a typical example of a इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशंस रिएक्शंस। इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन में हमने क्या देखा था, नाइट्रेशन, सल्फोनेशन, हेलोजिनेशन में हमने देखा था क्लोरिनेशन, ब्रोमिनेशन, Friedel-Crafts alkylation और Friedel-Crafts acylation. So this is the example of a Friedel-Crafts acylation. Then this is one of the most convenient and widely used method for the preparations of aromatic ketones in which ketonic group is directly attached to at least one aromatic ring. So in this process, it involves the treatment of an aromatic hydrocarbon with an acid halide, in presence of Lewis acid, just such as anhydrous aluminium chloride. So this is all about the preparations of ketone. There are lots of methods to form a ketone, but here in our NCERT textbook they display only 3 methods. One is the Fry's rearrangement, lots of methods to prepare a ketone, but at presently we are focused up to 1, 2 and 3. In next sessions, because today's our some work practice, आपके जो NCERT के टेक्स्ट बुक है उसमें आपको एग्जाम्पल 12.1 सॉल्ड एग्जाम्पल दिया हुआ है और इसके नीचे एग्जैक्टली अनसॉल्ड एग्जाम्पल भी है. तो आप दोनों अपनी तरह से प्रिपेयर कीजिए और मैं नेक्स्ट सेशन में यहीं से मैं अपनी जर्नी एग्जाम्पल 12.1 और उसका जो NCERT का अनसॉल्ड जो मेरा क्वेश्चन है आई थिंक सो 12.2 वो हम उसको साथ हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.